Good morning, students. Welcome back. In our previous lecture, we started the lesson number 1.4, The King's Choice. In this lesson, we came to know about a lion who was a king, big, strong, and furious. He wished to have a court for himself. So he appointed a fox as an advisor, a leopard as a bodyguard, and a vulture as a messenger. One day, Vulture invited the lion to have a meal of a camel. As we know that camel live in desert area and the wild animals live in jungle. So this animal has to go to desert and hunt the camel. The vulture flew in the cool air and these animals had to walk in the hot sand and their legs were burning due to hot sand. इतना हमने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था लेसन. ओके, आई होप यू रिमेंबर द स्टोरी. नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड विद द स्टोरी. The camel was presented to the king. The camel was presented to the king and agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. Get on camel's back, your majesty, said the fox. Excuse me, just we missed some this one. The Lion King's advisors were frightened. The forest was far behind them, and they did not know to go get the lion back home. The leopard wanted to run away. See, this I explained in the last lecture. We will proceed from here. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. What was the planning of the vulture? To trap the lion and eat the lion. But the clever fox thought of a plan. Off into the desert he ran, saying, I will bring some help. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. The camel was indeed surprised to see him. This portion was also done that last period. Hurry up, friend camel, said the fox. Our king wants you at once. Now what the fox is saying to the camel? Hurry up, friend. Our king wants you to at once. Your king, said the camel. Who is that? I do not know any king. I only know my master for whom I carry goods across the desert. Our king, the lion, has killed your master, said the fox. Now you are free and the lion has invited you to live at his court. Come along. What it says? क्या बोलता है ये fox कि ना My king, the lion has killed your master. तुम्हारे मास्टर को उसने मार दिया है और now he want you in your court, his court. The camel followed the fox. अभी whatever the fox said, the camel did so. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. Even the lion looked pleased in spite of his burned paws. What happened in this? As soon as he saw the camel, the lion saw the camel, he was very pleased with the fox because fox was able to bring the camel towards him. And the vulture and the leopard were also surprised to see this. The camel was presented to the king. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. What he said, the camel, he was happy. He will, okay, I will serve you. I will work in your court for that, so that he can stay at the courtroom. Get on camel's back, your majesty, said the fox. We will return home. The lion at once jumped on the camel's back. His courtiers, the fox and the leopard, jumped up behind him, and with the vultures flying ahead as a guide, they set off to the long journey back to the forest. And इसमें क्या दिया गया? What that is mentioned? All went back to the forest. The lion sat on the camel's back and rided on him and went back to the forest. When the travelers reached the forest, they were all tired and hungry. All these travelers, जो lion, fox, leopard, ये सब थके हुए थे when they reached the forest, and they were hungry also. The fox and the leopard and the vulture looked at the camel. Then they looked at each other and smiled hungry smile. And these people, the fox, the leopard and the vulture, were planning to kill the camel and eat it. They were giving a very this smile, एक अजीब सी स्माइल देते हैं कि ये मुस्कान होती है ना, कुछ चीज हासिल करने पर. That's what they were giving a smile. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it was time for the feast. Now what they did do? They brought the camel to the king. That is the lion. Okay. The lion king knew that his courtiers were thinking. He called the camel to him. Now ये जो lion है, he is also very मतलब चालाक था. उसको समझ में आ रहा था कि ये लोग क्या प्लान कर रहे. तो what he did? He just called the camel to him. Friend camel, he said, I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live at my court as long as you like. I promise you your protection. मतलब फ्रेंड उसको कैमल को क्या बोल रहे हैं? You have saved my life. How he saved his life? Because he was unable to walk in the desert area and his legs were burning. So what did the camel do? It carried him on the back. So that in that way he helped the lion. So he said, you saved my life. The lion तो उसको क्या प्रॉमिस करते हैं कि तुम मेरे साथ इधर रहो कोर्ट में और तुम्हारे प्रोटेक्शन की जिम्मेदारी मेरी है. The lion's courtiers were shocked and had they not risked their life so that he could try camel's meat, and the king wanted to let the camel live. अभी तो लायंस के कोर्टियर से उनको काफी शौक लगता है इनका लायन का बर्ताव देख के. बोलते हैं हम लोग ने इतने जोखिम उठाया इसको लेके आने के लिए और कैमल को ये राजा ऐसे ही छोड़ रहा है उसे. The courtiers were not pleased with his decisions yet they could not do nothing. अभी कुछ नहीं थे इस डिसीजन से, पर वो कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे थे, कुछ कह नहीं पा रहे थे. Now the lion's paw was so badly burned that he could not go hunting, but they did not keep him from growing very hungry indeed. Fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted, Don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some food. अभी इसके पैर जो जले होने की वजह से, गर्म सैंड की वजह से, तो क्या वो चल नहीं पा रहा था ना. So he was unable to hunt. So he told his courtiers to bring him a meal of food for him. The courtiers had to obey the king, so out they went, but they did not go far. They sat down in the safe place and discussed and what they could. तो कोर्टियर्स सब लोग राजा के कहने पर बाहर निकल गए हंटिंग खाना लेके आने के लिए, पर ज्यादा दूर नहीं गए और बाहर ही बैठ के वो आपस में बातचीत करने लगे या डिस्कशंस करने लगे. I know, said the fox after a while. We shall make a camel has to be eaten. He told the others of his plan. They all agreed back, so they went to the king. See, here we will stop. In the further next period, we will be continuing this lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson up to today. What I have taught you, I hope you will get it. Try to understand the lesson. You try to read the remaining part of the lesson so that you can understand very nicely. Thank you.